Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your FBR Sales Tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in FBR Sales Tax login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link e.fbr.gov.pk. Click on that link. Now you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of FBR. Now guys, what you need to do is just enter your username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the uploads. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.